Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and as you can see we are in the standard photo view. So the camera mirror effect is not available to the back camera, so we have to change it to the front. So we can do it by tapping on this button. So hi, and now let's go to the more advanced settings, which are here in the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to it, and from here we go to the left corner to this settings, and as you can see here we are in the advanced camera settings, and you have to slide down to the general settings here, and as you can see here we have the mirror front camera. So by tapping on this we can turn on and turn off the mirror effect of the photo. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.